Hello friends, welcome to my channel Andani Tips, where I make cooking easy and fun filled. Today I am going to make a sauteed vegetable. In this winters we have beautiful vegetables and this have many health benefits, including the nutrients. Sautés preserves more nutrients than boiling. So sauteing and stir frying can improve the absorption of fat soluble vitamins and some plant compounds also. So here I have taken vegetables. You can take of your choice. Here I have some baby corn, some small potatoes, carrot, florets of cauliflower. You can add broccoli also. Today I am running out of broccoli, so I couldn't add broccoli. I will be adding some more vegetables also, and here I am having some mushrooms which I have parboiled because the mushrooms were not that fresh, so that's why I have parboiled them. Now here I am adding 2 teaspoonful of olive oil and some salt. Today I have just parboiled the vegetables. You can do them directly also without parboiling. So now mix the salt. In between I will be making another mixture of corn flour, 2 teaspoonful of corn flour, black pepper powder. I will be adding some oregano and goes some red chili powder. Today I have added Kashmiri red chili powder to give the flavor and the color also. If you like, you can add regular red chili powder if you can tackle the flame, or you can add chili flakes also. And here goes a little bit of rosemary and thyme, mixture of rosemary and thyme. Then give everything a nice mix and then add this mixture to the vegetables which I am going to saute. Now these sauteed vegetables provide dietary fiber which helps in your digestion. Health conscious people can add sauteed vegetables to their diet for weight loss. Now here I am adding a little bit of vinegar. This sauteed vegetable and stir frying can decrease the amount of vitamin C in the vegetables. That is the reason I am adding a little bit of vinegar. Now I will be arranging them in my fry pan. This is a double side fry pan, so I will arrange all the vegetables here. And sauteing I love because it brings out the flavor of the dish. Browning ingredients in a small amount of fat keeps the flavor and colors very vivid, which I really like, and the freshness is also retained, because without cooking away the nutrients, sauteing can be done. Now I'll close the lid, and after 10 minutes I'll open and I will be adding a little bit of garlic and some petals of onion and capsicum. See why I am adding these later, because they take less time to fry, so it's better to add them a little bit later. And again, after frying for 10 minutes I will be adding some boiled green peas. Today I have used frozen green peas. Now you will be getting fresh green peas very soon. You can add them also. Then mix everything and arrange them very nicely. And after that, I will be closing it and I will be turning it. After turning, again I will cook for 5 to 7 minutes, and then almost your dish will be ready to serve. I'll show you all, friends, after doing the process properly. Friends, if you all like my recipe, please don't forget to smash the like button, share with your friends as much as possible, and those who are new to my channel, my humble request, please do subscribe, and those who have already subscribed, a lot of thanks to all of them. Now see, this I will be cooking for 7 more minutes. Now my dish is ready to serve. Just look at the color and the presentation of the dish. Beautiful. Now this can be added in your daily diet again to lose weight, to maintain your metabolism. Thanks for watching. Keep me in your prayers.